make candy canes. So exciting. Okay, so let's get the boring stuff out of the way. This is a really great joint attention activity because it can work on so many different levels of joint attention. We can work on just the process of referencing each other. First of all, the first level of joint attention, we're thinking about making a candy cane. We are both on the same page. We're thinking about the same thing. We're making a candy cane. The next level is that because we're each going to have a job, they're going to have to either reference you to get the bead, or you're going to have to reference them to get the bead. So now that's that regulation piece. The next step is coordination, and this kind of falls into place. It's not coordination in that we're synchronizing doing something at the exact same time. It's actually we're both working together on the same goal, and I need you to do your job so that I can do my job so that the whole job can get done. So the first thing you want to do is you're like, we're going to make candy canes, so excited. Come on over. Now, we're going to do this together. Do you want to be the picker-outer or the putter-oner? And depending on which they choose, go with it. If you happen to be the picker-outer, I want you to first make sure that they know that I'm thinking that candy canes are red and white. So I'm going to start with a white. And you can pass it to them and they're going to put it on. And then you're going to vary how fast you find them and pass it to them. You're going to vary where you put them. So they're learning to adjust to find you, kind of like you have to adjust and negotiate in communication. But this is the very beginning level of it. And they're just like, over here, now it's over here, and be silly about it. Just be like, make them giggle so it's fun. If you happen to be the putter-oner, you can vary how you put it on. You could pretend to have a hard time. You could be like, this is tricky. We just want them to engage and reference you and don't force anything. Just if they look great, if they don't, let it go. Eventually they'll get there. And just make it fun. And after, you might even want to share the experience with someone else. Oh, looks really awesome. We worked really hard. I wonder if Dad would like to see it. So then you're sharing in the experience with another person in your family. With all that said, great activity. If you have some trouble with it, or even if you do the activity and you're like, I think it went well, one of the best things you can do is turn around and get a videotape of it, to get 5 to 10 minutes of videotape and send it to your RDI consultant, because they're going to be able to give you feedback about what steps to do next or where you need to backtrack and where to go from there. So candy canes are fun. I think the next one I'll talk about is baking cookies.